You mentioned that you're involved with a Waldorf school. When we lived in the UK, my elder daughter went to what was called a Rudolf Steiner school, which of course is the same as Waldorf, just a different name. For the folks listening in who may not have ever heard of it, just give us a little description of it, of a Waldorf school, and for that matter, their notions that they've been developing around technology and digital citizenship.
Yeah. So it's kind of an interesting story because traditionally they're known as the non-tech schools, and people may have heard of them. There was a famous article years ago in the New York Times about a Waldorf school in the Silicon Valley. There's a lot of them in that area where a lot of parents who are very involved in tech send their kids to these kinds of schools because they like the fact that they don't use technology at all until middle school now. So they kind of had this reputation of non-tech. But I have to give kudos to the Waldorf schools because my kids attended a public charter Waldorf school in Southern California, which is where we started cyber civics. And those schools were the first ones to adopt our curriculum. We're now, I think we're in like 95% of Waldorf schools in the US and a lot
Mm.
internationally. So I just want to say this, like previously non-tech schools have devoted an hour a week, sixth, seventh, and eighth grade to teach digital citizenship, digital literacy, information literacy, media literacy. So they are all on board. They understand how important it is for kids to get these skills so that they use technology safely and wisely. And I just have to give them kudos for that 360. I mean, think about where
Mm.
they've come
Mm.
in 10 years, right? And they
Yeah.
really are leaders in the fact that they make time for this kind of education in the classroom.